Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 80 Safe Force Inventory. So project description is in this project you will use the moving average tool for the joy floors managers to the Dallas region who want to analyze the quantity of the snips and under the for $4 restaurants determine the project's projected break even point for the year. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economic stating and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignments and exam. So move to the main project step and total step is 16. So step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 80. It is safe food inventory Excel downloaded with this project. Go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 80 safe food inventory. Move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is ensure that the analysis to back is enabled on the moving average worksheets. Insert the moving average using the range F5 to AB5 as the input range and type the 4 is the interval and use the cell A6 as the output range and select only the charts output checkbox. Do not select the label is the first row checkbox. Ensure that the analysis tool pack is enabled. So go to the data tabs, click the data analysis and on the moving average worksheets. On the moving average worksheets, insert the moving average using the range A5 to AB5. Moving average and click OK. And input range is A5 to AB5. Input range is A5 to AB A5 to AB5 is the input range. Input range is A5 to AB5. 5 to AB5 is input range and type 4 as the intervals and use the A6 the output range and interval is 4. Input range is A5 to AB5 and type 4 is the interval and use the cell A6 is the output range. So select the output ranges A6. Output range is cell A6 and select the only charts output checkbox and charts only output checkbox and do not select the label and first row checkbox. Not the label and do not label in the select the first row checkbox and click OK. Then click OK. And select the only chart checkbox and do not the first one. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is Position the chart between the cell CA2 Z29, keeping the chart slightly in the cell border. So move the CA2 CA2 Z29 Z29. Move the Z29 CA2 Z29 and keeping the chart slightly inside the all borders. Chart slightly in the all borders. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is added the vertical value axis title bags of the shrimp used. Added the horizontally axis title is the 4-week periods. So copy the title. Bags of shrimps used is the vertical axis title. Click the vertical value axis title is the select all and paste the title bags of shrimps used, and next is added the horizontally axis title 4-week periods. Copy the title and paste the title in cell, sorry, paste the title in the 4-week 4-week periods, and added the horizontally axis title is the paste the title. So question number 4 is a complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is question number 5 is to display the days of the week as the horizontally category axis label at the bottom of the charts, point to any of the data point and then click the one time select axis from the chart design tab and select the data source dialog box, and then edit the horizontally axis label by selecting the range A4 to AB4 and click OK 2 times. So to display the days of the week as the horizontally category axis label at the bottom of the chart points to any of the data points and then click the one time to select the axis, and from the chart designs tabs, so go to the from the chart design tabs and axis label at the bottom of the chart points to any of the data point and then click the one time to select the axis, and from the chart design tab display the select the data source box. So select the data source and select the data source, select the data source dialog box and then added the horizontally axis category A4 to AB4. So A4 to AB4, A4 to A4 to A4 to AP4 axis label by the horizontally added the horizontally axis label by the selecting the range A4 to AB4. A4 to AB4 and click OK 2 times. Click OK is 2 times. So question number 5 is complete. And we can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is to a plot forecast series on the secondary axis charts and series forecast line. Double click the line to display the format data series and then plot the series on the secondary axis. To plot the forecast series, to plot the forecast series on the forecast series plot series on secondary axis on the chart point on the series forecast line. Click the secondary axis on the charts forecast and double click the line display the format data series and double click the format data series in the secondary axis. Format the data and plot the series to the secondary axis and click the secondary axis is the format data series. So question number 6 is complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the chart area and plot area with the solid fill as the color of in the 8th column. Click the second color and from the range D6 to AB6 with the comma cell style, click the cell A1. Format the chart area and plot area. So format the chart area, format the chart area and plot area is the solid fill. Click the fill line and click the fill is the solid fill. Solid fill as the 8th column, click the second color. 8th column is the second color. 8th column is the second color. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 column is the chart area is the 8 column second color and format the plot area. Select the plot area. Plot area is the solid fill 8th column second color. The solid fill is 8th column second color. 8th column is the second color. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is the second color. And click the second color. Format the range D6 to AB6 with the comma 0 cell style and click the cell A1. Copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the ranges D6 to AB6, D6 to AB6, select the range and comma 0 cell style and click cell A1. So go to the home tabs and go to the style groups, click the cell style and apply the comma style 0 decimal places. Comma style 0 decimal places. And next is click the cell A1. We'll select the cell is A1. Select the cell is A1. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and exam.